Hi, my name is Mike Marmelli. I am the GM of Digital Impact. You don't stay ahead of the curve in the digital print world or the industry, you fall behind, your quality falls behind, your customer service falls behind just due to technology. So in digital printing, you're forced to stay ahead of the curve. We've been doing that since day one. You know, we were one of the first ones to have corrugated printer digitally, digital die cutters, fully automation, and it seems like every 2 years we're buying something new between software, equipment, die cutters, and that's what's really kept us in this world for as long as we've been. We recently just purchased the Elitron, which was a big decision for us. We've been running ESCO equipment for the past 14 years. We've had ESCO automation, ESCO workflows, so it was very hard for us to stray outside of this world that we're in with ESCO. Elitron put out a package with their equipment which was hard to say no to. From the offload, which was a big decision for us, where it's called the Aero panel, where it picks up the full sheet, no dragging, no nicks, drops it onto a table, done. Don't have to pick any sheets up, simply just strip away and pack your job up.
A lot of the issues that we've had with the other die cutters, this Elitron seems not to have any of them. So far, I'm really blown away, and looking forward to see what they come out with next, because I know these ones are just going to keep on aging, and eventually we're going to get new equipment again. Yeah, in my opinion, I say they built a winner in that one.
Install really couldn't have gone any smoother. We disassembled and cleared out the area from a previous cutter. The machine arrived on a Monday morning in about 5 or 6 crates. It was loaded into the building. It was placed in position before the end of the week was out. The machine was up, running, and fully functional. It really could not have gone any smoother. We did some customization to it from the offload standpoint. It has a stacker, it'll stack all the jobs, but it will also offload those from the stacker to another production table so that workers can pull those pieces out while the machine is still running and continues to stack the job.
Elitron for Digital Impact is a huge game changer for me. Within the past 3 days, we've already have seen throughput increase, simplicity between printing the sheet, opening the CAD file, and just straight cutting something. The barcode, the fail-safe camera systems, you can sit back and kind of relax a little bit and know your job is accurately being produced. And the best part about it is, if something's wrong, being you have a camera and a barcode, it won't cut your sheet bad. You know, it'll stop and tell you like this is not lined up. So you're not wasting material. The whole shop, the guys, everybody is really excited for this. I would highly recommend Elitron equipment, big, robust, fast, ahead of its time. Really happy and excited with this unit.